Are you tired of guessing how your website is performing? Imagine unlocking powerful insights to understand your audience, optimize your strategies, and boost your business, all with just a few clicks. Welcome to the world of Google Analytics. In this video, we will dive into the 7 essential Google Analytics metrics that every marketer should track. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more digital marketing insights like this. Google Analytics isn't just a tool, it's your compass in the digital world. By mastering its key metrics, you'll not only track your website's performance, but also uncover actionable insights to drive success. Now let's dive into the 7 metrics every marketer should track for ultimate success. First, we will get into active users. This tells you how many unique visitors are engaging with your site and how often they come back. It's like counting the foot traffic to your store. Next up is sessions. While a session represents the total number of visits to your site, by analyzing sessions, you can determine how often users return and how engaged they are with your content. Next up is bounce rate. Nobody likes a visitor leaving too soon. The bounce rate shows the percentage of visitors who leave your site after viewing just one page. A high bounce rate could signal that your content isn't resonating with users, prompting you to reassess your landing pages. Moving on to number 4 is average session duration, which measures how long users stay on your site during a session. The average session duration reveals whether your content is keeping them hooked or losing their interest. Next on number 5 is page views. This metric tracks the total number of pages viewed on your site. Monitoring page views helps you understand which content is most popular and where users are spending their time. Now, let's talk about the conversion rate. Conversions are the ultimate goal. This crucial metric tells you the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Tracking conversions helps you measure the effectiveness of your marketing funnels. Finally, we have traffic sources. Where is your traffic coming from? Whether it's organic search, social media, or paid ads. Knowing this can help you allocate resources effectively and refine your marketing strategies. There you have it. Tracking these 7 key metrics will help you unlock the full potential of Google Analytics. Remember, the more you know, the smarter you grow. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned to Jay's Digital Hub for more videos where we'll explore even more tools and strategies for digital success. See you next time.